Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Latest Fashion Trend. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Why sometimes I have believed as many as 6 impossible things before breakfast. No expectations, no disappointments. Remember this, very little is needed to make a happy life. It matters not what someone is born, but what they grow to be. If I could give you one thing in life, would give you the ability to see yourself through my eyes. Only then would you realize how special you are to me. If you were a pill I had overdosed. If you keep on believing the dream that you feel will wish will come true. The greatest tragedy a soul can endure is the connect with another and then to be left alone once more. It's like being invisible your whole life and finally finding someone who can see you and hear you just so they can look you in the eyes and say goodbye. I don't have a library card, but can I check you out? How well do you remember The Princess Bride? The quiz is exactly as you wish. If I could give you the one thing in life, I would give you the ability to show yourself. I will give you a kiss. If you don't like it, you can return it. The word of the day is legs. Let's go back to my place and spread the world. I don't think you understand exactly how much I want your lips. Life moves pretty fast if you don't stop and look around once in a while. You could miss it. She does not want to hear that she is flawless. She wants to hear that she is loved regardless of the flaws. I fell in love with you because you loved me when I could not love myself. Please count at least one of the three before you do anything impulsive. For what is evil but good, tortured by its own hunger and thirst? If I told you I work for ups, would you let me handle your packages? Where focus goes and energy flows. Are you the cure for Alzheimer's? Because you are unforgettables. You and I, against a rule set of us of time, a marker drawn to show our end, attached into its line, the briefest moment shared with you and the longest on your mind. If you can find a path with two obstacles, then it probably does left anyway.